Welcome back everybody, this is Kato, Shadow Kato Gaming. Today we are doing a let's play through for Cat Burglar, A Tale of Pursuit. I can't really draw my arms right. Pursuit. Anyway, this was actually a free game on Steam. It was saying that it was like a short like puzzle game. And I do like some puzzle games myself. We have... Ooh, I like this. Alright, so we have WSD as move, camera, and zoom. Ooh. Let's see. Hello. Hello, kitty. Alright. Don't worry, you can't fall. Really? And they're right, I can't fall. Well, I mean, I'm a cat. Even if I do, I can land on my feet. So I need 4 keys to enter that. Alright, avoid these searchlights. Well, this seems easy enough. I mean, come on now. What's this? Avoid dogs. Oh, hello. Lots of them. Oh, I actually do like this. This is like... Okay, so... I am avoiding. Boom, boom. Drop down. No, I don't want to drop down yet. Going up. Alright. And I'm going to collect all of them. Why not? So no. Bonus! Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'm getting bonuses. Gotta watch out for my mouse. Ha! Mouse. It's not locked into the game, so... I thought... Yeah, no... Wait. I could have swore there was another one. 2... 3. I got them all right. I should. And drop down. Alright, victory! Got all 4 keys. That is an... Oh, hello. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. It's a charity for animals. I like that. Major Bull. Alright, Cat will be showing up here soon to steal our gems. It is our mission to capture her. Any questions? Sir, why are we putting gems around the base? That is a very good question. To catch Cat, of course. Wait. But... Sir, why do we want to catch Cat, sir? Because she's trying to steal our gems, of course. Okay. Alright. That... Sure, why not? Sir, yes sir, wolf. Alright, so she's trying to steal your gem. So, to catch her from stealing your gems, you're gonna put gems around. Sir, sure. Right, why not? I mean, that's just... Alright. There's 2 gems. You guys just lost 2 gems. That's stupidity. Really? Alright, good. Well, I got a key. And there's a dog. Where is he? There was a dog down here. Oh, there you are. I can't. How do I get up there? Oh, I know how. Up. I got a key. No, he's coming back. There we go. Yeah. Going this way. Another key. Almost fell. There we go. Did I get all my gems? Wait, alright, I got all the keys. I think I got everything. There we go, there we go. Don't fall, don't fall. And got it all. Alright. I do hope the game volume is alright. It's very loud in my ear, but I couldn't see anywhere to change the volume to it. So, you win, check out this great charity. Oh, that's really cool. So let's do another level. This is probably going to be a short video because, alright. You guys are just going to keep on going back and forth from the looks of it. Oh, I got caught. What's up here? What? No way. Wonder if I can... Yeah, I can. Alright. Yes, no. Yes. Get the key! Alright. That way... I just pretty much just dropped right in front of him and he didn't see me. These guys are blind. Let's go up. No, 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 no. Almost screwed that up. What's this? Oh, he's just alternating. Alright. Third? Yeah. Dude, I am like right here. Really? I'm getting that gem. I am getting that gem. That. Almost got caught there. Got you. Well, I got all 4 keys. Got you. How do I get those? I don't know how I get those. Really? I mean, can't you just turn? I'm right there. Oh, I can actually go into level select. Oh, there's not that many levels. So we only did 3 of them. I got every single gem on every single one of them. And then there's level 4, which I was on, which is very complicated. Then 5, 6, and 7. Very cool. I actually really enjoyed that. It was actually done really nicely for a... It seemed like once it started saying about the charities and stuff like that, it seemed like it was, I guess, low budget, quote unquote. But they did a very, very good job with it, and the message is there. You know, to be able to save the animals are, you know, man's best friend, and you know, the companions for everybody that needs an animal to help support them. I myself, I have a cute little cat, which I'm probably going to at least show a picture of what she looks like. She is definitely daddy's girl, but she is my kitty. She's my baby. But really like that. That was a wonderful experience, and this is like I said earlier, this is actually another game on Steam. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, click on that notification so that you know next time I'll be able to put a video up. Discord is into the description. I want to thank you all for watching, and I shall see you next time.